Want to speak real Romanian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at RomanianPod101.com.
In this lesson, we're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Romanian. You'll be surprised how easy it is. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's start with a polite and common way to introduce yourself. Bună, sunt Raluca. Îmi pare bine. Hi, I'm Raluca. Nice to meet you. Bună, sunt Raluca. Îmi pare bine. The first word is bună, which means hi or hello. After that comes sunt, which means I am. Then say your name. For example, bună, sunt Raluca. Hi, I'm Raluca. Finally, say îmi pare bine, which means nice to meet you. So altogether, it will be bună, sunt Raluca. Îmi pare bine. Hi, I'm Raluca. Nice to meet you. There is also another way to say your name. Instead of sunt Raluca, I could say mă numesc Raluca. Mă numesc literally means I call myself, but we use it to mean my name is. Bună, mă numesc Raluca. Îmi pare bine. Hi, my name is Raluca. Nice to meet you. Bună, mă numesc Raluca. Îmi pare bine. Again, let's take a look at these two ways to introduce yourself. Bună, sunt Raluca. Îmi pare bine. Hi, I'm Raluca. Nice to meet you. Bună, mă numesc Raluca. Îmi pare bine. Hi, my name is Raluca. Nice to meet you. Now, it's time for Raluca's insights. In formal situations, people in Romanian-speaking countries greet each other by shaking hands. On the other hand, if we meet someone we are very friendly with, we kiss each other on both cheeks. So don't be surprised if this happens to you. In the last lesson, you learned how to introduce yourself in Romanian. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use good manners as you thank people. Sunteți pregătiți? Are you ready? Să începem! Let's start! Saying thank you in Romanian is very easy. It's just one word. Mulțumesc. Mulțumesc. Mulțumesc means thank you. To say thank you very much, you just need to add foarte mult after it. Foarte mult means very or a lot. Mulțumesc foarte mult. Mulțumesc. Foarte mult. For a simple thanks, mulțumesc will be enough. If you'd like to say more than just thanks, mulțumesc foarte mult is good to use. Now, it's time to listen and repeat. Mulțumesc. Mulțumesc foarte mult. Now, how do you respond to thank you in Romanian? It's easy. The most common way to say you're welcome is pentru nimic. Pentru nimic. Nimic means nothing. So pentru nimic literally means it's nothing. But we use it to mean you're welcome. So when someone says mulțumesc to you, you can simply reply with pentru nimic. Now it's time for Raluca's insights. If you're not sure about whether to use mulțumesc or mulțumesc foarte mult, keeping it simple is always your safest bet. You don't have to worry about formal or informal situations. Mulțumesc can be used with just about anyone, anywhere, and at any time. In the last lesson, you learned how to show thanks by saying mulțumesc. In this lesson, you'll learn some of the most common greetings used in Romanian. Sunteți pregătiți? Are you ready? Să începem. Let's start. The most common greeting is bună. Bună. Bună means hi or hello. We can use it in formal and informal situations at any time of the day. It's very convenient. Bună! Now, let's look at some greetings that are used at certain times of the day. First is good morning. In Romanian, it is bună dimineața. Bu-nă, di-mi-na-ța. For the rest of the day, we say bună ziua. Bu-nă, ziua. Bună ziua means good afternoon. This can be used all day as long as it's light outside. Once it starts to get dark, you can switch to this. Bună seara. Bună seara. Bună seara can mean good evening or good night, depending on the situation. Again, that's bună seara. Now, you can greet people in many different ways in Romanian. Let's review them all again. As a general greeting, bună. In the morning, bună dimineața. In the afternoon, bună ziua. In the evening or at night, bună seara. Pretty easy, right? Now, it's time for a look at insights. If you're not sure which greeting is appropriate to use, bună dimineața, bună ziua, or bună seara, just remember that bună can be used any time of the day. In this lesson, we're going to deal with the verb to be. In Romanian, a fi. We will also go over how to talk about your nationality. When you met a new person, they might ask you, de unde sunteți? Which means, where are you from? De unde sunteți? De means from, and unde means where. So there is only one more thing, the verb. Are you is sunteți. Just remember from the other lessons that the personal pronouns in Romanian can be omitted most of the time. Sunteți is the present tense form of the verb to be, a fi. Let's try this together. De unde sunteți? De unde sunteți? Answering this question is very easy. You just say sunt, which means I am, then your nationality. Be careful though, because in Romanian, we don't write nationality names with a capital letter like in English. For example, sunt american. Sunt american. I am American. Just replace American with your own nationality. I am German. Sunt german. I am Italian. Sunt italian. I am Chinese. Is sunt chinez. Keep in mind that this is how you refer to your nationality if you are male. Feminine forms usually use că or ycă at the end of the nationality. For example, if you are an American woman, you'll say sunt americancă. Italian women say sunt italiancă. For a Chinese woman, it is sunt chinezoică, and so on. To return the question, you can simply say și tu, which is and you, și tu. Another way to say your nationality is by using the preposition din and the country name. I'll show you how. Sunt din America. Easy, right? Here you are saying, I'm from America. How about another example? I'm from Italy. Sunt din Italia. Now it's time for a look at insights. Another useful expression with the verb a fi is when you answer the phone. To introduce your name, you can say sunt, then your name. So when I pick up the phone, I would say sunt Raluca. It's really simple. Now you try it. Imagine I'm calling you right now. How would you answer? Good job, everyone. In the last lesson, you learned how to talk about nationality using the verb to be, a fi. In this lesson, we'll use it to talk about location, to say things like, I'm in the street, or he is in the room, so it's very useful. When asking where something or someone is, we use the verb ești in Romanian. For example, when someone asks you on the phone, unde ești? That means, where are you? In an informal way. Unde ești? Let's break it down. Unde means where. Ești is the second person singular form of the verb to be, or a fi. It is the equivalent of you are. Again, the pronoun is omitted from the sentence. Unde ești? Answering this question is very easy. You just say sunt, then add a preposition, such as la, meaning at, pe, meaning on, or în, meaning in. Then say the place where you are. Let's try an example with pe, meaning on. Sunt pe stradă. I'm on the street. Sunt pe stradă. Now, let's see a few other possible answers with I. I'm at the office would be sunt la birou. I'm in a store would be sunt la magazin. I'm in the house would be sunt în casă. Another useful expression with the verb a fi is to ask for a specific person on the phone. You can say este plus his or her name. So to ask for your friend Manuel, for example, say este Manuel, meaning is Manuel there? Let's have a look at how we conjugate the verb to be, a fi. We have sunt for I am, ești for you are, este for he or she is, suntem for we are, sunteți for you are in the plural form, and sunt again for they are. Now it's time for a look at insights. You can use this convenient question if you are lost in the street. Nu știu unde sunt. Mă puteți ajuta, vă rog? This means, I don't know where I am. Can you help me, please? Nu știu unde sunt. Mă puteți ajuta, vă rog. In the last two lessons, we learned the main usages of the verb a fi, which means to be in Romanian. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the verb a avea, which means to have, and we'll be using it to talk about your age. It's normal for young people in Romania to ask each other's age. It's really common when you meet someone for the first time. If someone asks you, câți ani ai? Just know that it means, how old are you in Romanian? Câți ani ai? Now you have to answer with your age. In Romanian, we use the verb a avea, meaning to have. Here are some examples. I am 18 is am 18 ani. I am 20 is am 20 de ani. I am 25 is am 25 de ani. And I am 40 is am 40 de ani. Am means I have. This is a conjugated form of a avea. 18 is 18. We learn about numbers back in lessons 6 and 7. Note that when you use a number from 1 to 19, you don't need the preposition de. But if you're older than 20, don't forget to add de, meaning of, before the word an. An means years. Am 18 ani. I am 18. Sometimes Romanian people won't ask your age directly, but instead will ask your birth year. To do this, they will say, în ce an ești născut? În ce an ești născut? This literally means, which year were you born? And then you must reply. For example, you might say, I'm from the 84, which in Romanian would be sunt în 84. Do you remember sunt? It is the verb to be. În means from, and then just say the last two digits of your birth year. Now it's time for a look at insights. Were you born in the year 2000? Sorry, you can't say that you're from 00. You have to say the entire year. Sunt în 2000.
Want to speak real Romanian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at RomanianPod101.com.
Bună ziua, doamnă! Mă numesc Paul Iordache.
Îmi pare bine, domnule. Mă numesc Popescu Georgiana.
Îmi pare bine, doamnă. Bună ziua! Vreau să cumpăr un pepene verde. Cât costă unul?
Acesta de 3 kg costă 3 lei.
Cât este aceasta în euro?
Înseamnă cam 60 de cenți euro.
O, așa de ieftin?
Da, în România, pepenii verzi sunt foarte ieftini.
Domnule profesor, cum se spune a fork în română?
O furculiță.
Puteți repeta încet, vă rog?
O furculiță.
Puteți să scrieți, vă rog? Bună, mă numesc Masanobu.
Bună, eu sunt Andreea. Bine ai venit în România.
Mulțumesc! Sunt încântat să te cunosc în sfârșit.
Și eu sunt încântată de cunoștință. Să mergem să vedem orașul.
Cu drag!
Bună, mamă! Ți-l prezint pe amicul meu, Masanobu.
Bună ziua! Mă numesc Masanobu. Sunt japonez. Încântat de cunoștință.
Încântată de cunoștință. Bine ai venit în România. Lucrezi?
Lucrez de 2 ani. Acum am 27 de ani.
First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
Un bărbat și o femeie vorbesc. Ce vor face aceștia în primul rând?
Ce vrei să faci azi?
Eu vreau să merg la film.
Bine, eu vreau să mă uit la un meci de baseball la televizor.
De asemenea, vreau să merg la cumpărături.
Meciul de baseball va începe la 13.
Bine, să mergem la film mai întâi, după care poți să te uiți la meciul de baseball.
Bine, iar seara vom merge la cumpărături.
Ce vor face aceștia în primul rând? Un bărbat și o femeie vorbesc. Ce vor face aceștia în primul rând?
Ce vrei să faci azi?
Eu vreau să merg la film.
Bine, eu vreau să mă uit la un meci de baseball la televizor.
De asemenea, vreau să merg la cumpărături.
Meciul de baseball va începe la 13.
Bine, să mergem la film mai întâi, după care poți să te uiți la meciul de baseball.
Bine, iar seara vom merge la cumpărături.
O femeie ia prânzul la restaurant. Ce va comanda?
Doriți cafea sau desert după masă?
Ce deserturi aveți?
Avem budincă și plăcintă cu mere.
De fapt, vreau doar o cafea, vă rog.
Vreți cu zahăr sau lapte?
Vă rog să o aduceți cu lapte. Ce va comanda? O femeie ia prânzul la restaurant. Ce va comanda?
Doriți cafea sau desert după masă?
Ce deserturi aveți?
Avem budincă și plăcintă cu mere.
De fapt, vreau doar o cafea, vă rog.
Vreți cu zahăr sau lapte?
Vă rog să o aduceți cu lapte.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.